sorry. I'm sorry.
You know what? It doesn't matter anyway. I don't think it's gonna make a difference. Today's not the day, I guess.
Neither was yesterday or the day before that. But the clock keeps ticking. You do see what's on the screen, right? Huh. She calls it art. But isn't it the same thing you see stuck up on tiffin boxes? Only Neha can pass off such mediocrity as art. In hindsight, everyone can. That is exactly my point. And on the other side of the desk, there will always be people like Chaube who glorify the bare minimum effort as if this was going to be the next Mona Lisa.
शान अरे क्या तुमने कुछ बनाया भी नहीं अभी तक
Art takes time, especially for those who are good at it. तो क्या ही समझेगा तो अपना PR संभाल.
तू ही बना के दिखा देना डेडलाइन के 2 दिन पहले.
Does the poster even matter when the movie has 5 big faces in it?
Hey, by the way, do you think we'll get to meet Mr. Khan?
Oh, leave that. Have you met the client? Did you see her? Oh, if I didn't have a girlfriend, I would have gone in there.
Since you already have a girlfriend, why don't you introduce her to her?
What's her name? So Virgin. Oh.
तू नाम जान के क्या करेगा? Anyway, she's way out of your league.
अरे करने देना. वैसे भी हर किसी का थोड़ा नहीं होता चेहरा.
तुम लोग वैसे आज शाम को फ्री हो ना?
करती हूँ.
अरे बर्ड वॉचिंग.
ओह मैं नहीं आ रहा बर्ड वॉचिंग के लिए. पिछली बार भी तुम लोगों ने चिड़िया दिखा दी थी. वैसे भी मेरे एंगेजमेंट है. हाँ.
Shankar, Dhruv. These were the kind of people I hung out with. They were friends. Now all I see around are caricatures. Programmed people who chase deadlines and bad paychecks with nothing but stolen ideas. I guess there is no point in obsessing over this if I don't have the courage to say it to the ones who actually need to listen. Why did I even start making art?
अरे भाई तेरा नाम आया है.
हसमत, तेरा भी नाम है.
मेरा भी नाम है.
एक मिनट. ये क्या देख लिया सुबह से? ओ भाई.
ये ओ भाई है. हट.
तू चुप कर. देखो फर्स्ट ईयर ना 1 हफ्ते में खत्म हो जाएगा. अभी नहीं जाएगा तो कब जाएगा?
भाई ये नहीं जाने वाला. फाइनल ईयर में ना जब वो किसी और बंदे के साथ घूम रही होगी ना तब आके हमारे पास रोएगा.
जाके करूँगा क्या? देख, she has a camera. Warden has already blacklisted us. मग शॉट तो बनता है.
हाँ अबे शॉट बनता है भाई.
Excuse me? Could you maybe click a picture for us?
Can I see? Oh, that's nice. That's nice too.
Thanks.
Could you send it to me?
Everyone's number is on the group.
So I should text.
Sure.
I see it.
यार चाय पीने का मन कर रहा
अरे यार ये फोटो ब्लर हो गई.
है. अबे छोड़ ना यार, इट डजंट मैटर. ऐसे मोमेंट्स और भी आने वाले हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
छोड़ो यार, तुम नहीं समझोगे.
Dhruv and Shankar were perfectly nice people, but they wouldn't get it. Why do people do art? When the first man dropped his axe and spear and picked up the brush and paint, what was he thinking? Was he messing around? Was he experimenting? Was he trying to change the world? See, I think he was capturing a moment, documenting it, setting it to stone. So even when he had forgotten about it, the moment would be there, on the walls of his home, staring at him, reminding him of that familiar feeling. When the flurry of emotions drives you to picking up a pen and etching it on paper, that's art. When you color a memory with emotion, that's art. When you realize that some moments are too precious to be wasted on an SD card, that's art. Art is inspiration. Art is feeling. Every time you sit down to make a new painting or draw a new sketch, it's like falling in love for the first time, all over again.
Wow. This is really beautiful. I never knew I could draw. How long does it take?
Not much. A few days.
Is it from that day?
Yeah. That was a really good day, for all of us.
Yeah.
And ever since, I couldn't stop thinking that I want to put it on paper.
But that day was about the three of you, not me.
True, but remember that picture you clicked? We have that pic with us forever, huh? You know what was actually missing?
What?
Your reaction while clicking that picture. That was lost in time forever. Have you noticed how when you click pics, even if it's of complete strangers, if they're like sharing a really genuine moment, and you somehow reciprocate that energy, you can't help but subconsciously smile at their smiles. I think it's human nature, but I find it really beautiful. I couldn't help but, do something about it.
Wow. That's a really unique thought. I never thought of it that way.
Maybe, but, I don't think it's that great either. It was way better in my head.
No one becomes an artist overnight. It takes a lot of effort and practice.
That is true.
I'd really like to see more of your artworks.
Oh, surely see to it that, you get to see them when I'm done with it.
This is really wonderful. And I really think I should get going.
I'll see you.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Yeah, actually, I also have to go back and make little adjustments.
Arey, you also don't start worrying, yaar. Have they ever rejected anything you've submitted? You always get the job done right.
Yeah, that's true, but I feel like mine is too similar to what I submitted last month also.
Who cares about last month? You're not making masterpieces, right? They agreed your projects, right? It's fine. All that matters is you give your projects on time.
Arey, but what kind of artist does that make us? Doesn't that kind of take away the meaning from our work? You wouldn't get it, yaar.
What's that supposed to mean?
You know what? You tell me. According to you, what do you think is art?
True art.
You tell me. Huh?
नहीं यार, seriously, what do you think is art?
देख यार, ट्रू आर्ट इज मोर अबाउट लक. कितने लोग हैं जिनका बहुत टैलेंट होता है लेकिन टाइम से कोई रिकॉग्नाइज ही नहीं करता, फिर वो ऐसी अननोन रह जाते हैं.
So you're basically saying art is luck?
नहीं, not only like luck is important, but I think people need to understand that. People need to understand the idea behind it.
Okay. What? You tell me personally, according to you, what is your definition of art?
I personally think तू मेरे किसी आंसर से satisfy नहीं होने वाला, considering our state of mind. Hey Shankar, help me out यार. What do you think is true art? बता इसको.
Art. ये क्या? ये Pringles है, ठीक है? अच्छा चिप्स है, बट ये क्या शेप है? अबे शटल कॉक के डब्बे जैसा इसका शेप है. आखिरी चिप्स मेरे को आज तक इसकी कभी मिली नहीं. लेस जैसा टेस्ट और 10 गुना ज्यादा महंगा. बट एक बात बताओ, और तुम मेरा चिप्स का है, मैं अपना नहीं रखूंगा बस. और रख दिया, ठीक है. हाँ, अगर मैं तुम दोनों को बोलूं कि इन सब में से कौन सा चिप्स लोगे, पता है तुम ये सेलेक्ट करोगे. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि ये स्टैंड आउट करता है, ये यूनिक है, समझे? So what you mean to say is that I am like this Pringles bottle, Pringles packet. You saying I have bad taste? नहीं यार. I mean your ideas, what you think, your thoughts are unique. They stand out.
अच्छा, tell me, what if they stand out so much that no one gets?
So what? क्या फर्क पड़ता है भाई? At least he has the balls to do something which nobody else is doing.
भाई, उससे आर्ट मिलेगा। Listen, art is balls. Balls is art. Ishan bhai, come here. इधर आ। हाँ भाई, देख भाई, if you even try, you've already succeeded. Cheers. आ जाओ। Cheers.
What do you think is art?
True art is when the artist is satisfied. Is when you are satisfied. You've got a job, you've got a house, you've got a car, you've got a salary. By doing the bare minimum, what do you have to worry about so much?
You're kind of missing the whole point. It's not about the artist.
Stop being a crybaby and finish your drink for once in life.
Seriously? I'm leaving, okay? I'm leaving.
Ishan, come on. Ishan!
Sorry.
Sorry.
Ishan, hi.
You remember me?
Yes.
College?
Yes.
You remember me?
Yes.
Weird, I guess. So what are you up to these days? What brings you here?
Basically, I work for the studio company.
Don't tell me you're a celebrity. You're an actor.
No, I could never. So we chase after studio design companies to work for our firm. That's it.
Impressive. Design. I think I might be the kind of guy you're chasing after. No, I don't mean to be creepy. All I'm saying is, after college, I got into this design company as well. And it is not much, but we make posters for films and websites and stuff.
Oh, so what are you working on these days?
Don't even get me started, yaar. Tomorrow, in fact, I have a deadline tomorrow. I think you might have watched this film. It really blew up in the lockdown. It was this coming of age film about these friends. Everyone loved it.
Are you working on Vision?
Yeah, obviously Vision already came out. I'm talking about the sequel. Second part is coming out. So yeah. Your film knowledge is quite impressive. Usually people don't get what I'm working on. Yeah.
I actually need to attend to a call.
But
we'll catch up later, right?
Are you sure the call is important? We're meeting after so many years.
It is actually important. But we'll catch up later.
Okay.
I'll see you. Bye.
I guess I'll see you too. Bye.
Sir, this is our biggest project and it's very high stake. Yes, sir, I understand. I have known this dude from college. Are we sure he is the best person for this job? No. I'm not trying to say that he is bad. All I'm trying to say is that he is just average and not the best. Are we sure we have considered all the options available? Right, sir.
Some people look the most desirable when you watch them from a distance after they've walked away. Had I looked in more places for you, I'd have found a goodbye stitched next to every hello. This was always a love story. Some people in your life are like waves. They come and go, not staying, not leaving an impression. Their memories short-lived, yet special. Then there are those people who stay. They nag you, bother you and trouble you to no end. They never give up till the lump of clay you are is sculpted into something meaningful. They stay till they see you through to life. and then they leave. We don't get to choose who leaves once their job's done and who overstays their welcome till their mere existence irks us. We never get to pick our fights. We get to pick how we fight. Beyond the labels of family, friend, and lover, beyond the glamour everyone chases, at the horizon of reality and imagination, at the border of comprehension and understanding, lies the beautiful and the unnameable, the artist and his art. It's not every day that the world arranges itself into art. That's what my story is about. The artist who falls in love again, for a second time. Not with someone, but something. Abstract but plausible. Soothing but painful. His art.